Hello Mary, Charlotte, Rose, and Alice. All my queens, welcome to my live shop on GoBrunch. Today I have a special tour that I made just for you, my exclusive followers. This is not just shopping, this is a story that I made just for you.
In this video, Angela will take her followers through a tour of her live shop, showing how GoBrunch transforms online shopping into an interactive experience.
I designed this space to make you feel like we're walking through a chic boutique. And you know that I love white and light brown, so I used these colors with some modern and luxury style. So I hope you love this space like I do. And now that we're here together, let's jump into the next rooms.
The lobby is where Angela brings her followers together. It's not just a waiting room, it's an experience. Here, your followers feel a sense of belonging. It's the beginning of a narrative that will show room by room, where Angela is not showing just her shop, but her personality in every room of this space.
Are you ready to go to the next part? So here we are, welcome to the showroom. Here you can check out all my fall collection because like all of you know, fall is coming and we need to be prepared. In one afternoon that I was looking through my window, the rain and looking how it drops in my flowers, I got inspired and I said, oh my god, I need to do this. And that's how this collection comes in. So I hope you love it. I designed it with the best textures, colors and layers because you deserve the best. So let you see here we have 4 different products that are exclusive and limited for this collection. So if you click in every product you will see the picture bigger with special prices and you can choose the one that you like more. I know this product will look beautiful in all of you. I hope to see it, you wearing this in this fall season. So let's go to the next part, my queens. Now we're here in the salon. Here you can see all my beauty products that I picked just for you, from skincare, brushes, and the perfect lip gloss. I think, Mary, this will be the perfect lip gloss for you. Remember the other day we were talking and you were telling me, oh my god, I need a lip gloss, but I can find it anywhere, the color that I want? Well, I think here it is. And for my queens that want to wear something different, I bring a special wig for you. If you're asking me how to get inspired on this collection, well, I got inspired by the color rose gold because I know all of you love this color like I do. And like in the showroom, all these products are exclusive and limited.
It's not just about selling products, it's about sharing beauty secrets and tips that resonate with your followers. And we got to the end of this special tour where you can sell products using the power of storytelling and build your community in a live session. Here that you see, you can gather your community and create a sense of belonging. You can connect and engage more with your followers inside your virtual space here in GoBrunch. Thank you so much for joining us today. Subscribe, follow, and get ready to experience shopping like never before. I see you in the next video. Leave in the comments below what was your favorite part of the video, or if you have more ideas to showcase with the storytelling in GoBrunch. Bye!